So hi guys, Mick Goldcard Productions here with another video, and this time I've got the new Yu-Gi-Oh! Zexal manga Volume 1, and I thought I'd just show it off. This just came in the post today. I've got Volume 5, no not 5, 9 of GX and 3 of 5D and number 2 of Zexal already ordered. Of course they're not out for a while. I'll just cut this open already, and I thought I'd do a quick review of what the card is and what it does, and then we'll have a look. Anyway, the card is called Kachi Kachi Dragon, or Kachi Kawachi Dragon. It's a rank 4 Earth monster. I'm not sure you can read the effect with this camera, because it might be a bit blurry, but basically, once per turn, when it destroys a monster by battle, you can send it to the graveyard. No, also when it sends it to the graveyard, you can detach one of the XYZ monsters to allow it to attack again. Now, the real question: do you reckon can it be competitive? Well, only time will tell. To be honest, I like this card for design-wise, but I am a collector. Also, within the next couple of months, I will have a lot more box openings, another battle pack, Epic Dawn, some special editions. But I'm also going to be thinking of doing a PS3 trophy guides. I've got loads of PS3 games, such as Final Fantasy 13, 13-2, Bleach, the Naruto games, Resistance, and I know loads of little tips on getting trophies easily. So you know, if there's any particular game you want me to try and do, you're going to just comment on this video, let me know. I have plenty of, you know, even if it's a game that I don't have, I don't mind going out buying it if it's got a lot of trophies, because I'm trying to get more trophies. If you want to add my PSN is just Gold Kaiser with a dash between Gold and Kaiser. Anyway, I'll catch you later, and hope you enjoyed the video. And please remember, subscribe and like. Peace out, dudes. Oh, one last thing. I forgot to mention this, but there's another channel known as Ardit and Batterham, and they're my friends, and they asked me to give them a shout out, so I'll probably put a link in the actual description, probably around about here. Anyway, have a nice day. See ya.